finally got another Ranger video up. I did trade my Ranger for my old truck back to a friend, so I still get to see it whenever I want. It just wasn't practical for the use of a truck that I have, so I wanted to keep it in the family, so to speak. Alright, in this video we're going to be doing a custom fabricated bumper on the Ranger. Here's how the Ranger looks with the stock bumper. Here we've removed the stock bumper in preparation for the build. We're going to start with a bumper off of a Jeep Wrangler and modify it to fit.
Let's do it.
We used a bumper from a Jeep Wrangler because for this year Ranger there's really no aftermarket bumpers available. So we're going to fabricate one up to fit.
So
my buddy that I traded the truck to decided that he wanted this off-road looking bumper on the Ranger. So we hooked up with a friend of ours who has a shop and all the tools and welders and metal that we would need to complete the project.
Yeah, you got that would probably work. We welded it here, brought it out here and just bent it back.
So
Yeah.
imagine that.
I mean, I got different size tabs, and I can weld different, like something like that. Maybe something a little bit bigger here.
Yeah.
To weld that, and then this is all plastic.
Right.
Plastic.
You got enough exposed metal down there?
You what?
I'll start coming over for sales window for you.
I gotta weld a lot more. It shouldn't sit on its own. No.
That's true.
I don't know. It just might look weird if it's just like that.
Oh yeah.
You can kind of like ease it into the. That's not good.
That's